are good to go. Let me share the link. I'll send in the group chat. Let's get it. Let's get it. Boom, boom. Bro, we were going, bro. This is really good. All-time highs is pretty close. Yeah, we have. We going, we going. Yo, what's good, chat? What's good? How's everyone doing? How's everybody doing? What's good? I mean, what's good, Light? What's good? What's good? Mr. What's good himself. Let's see what we can do during this lunch into PM session. I'm both currently looking for upside all-time highs, so that's the draw here, chat. All-time highs, and then obviously Asia highs as well. So it's pretty close. So two good areas of sell or buy side, excuse me, set up here. Yeah. Yeah. They do. They do. Yeah, I know, because we're already kind of in. Oh, I didn't post in my chat. That's why I was like, where's everyone at? I was like, where's everybody at? I didn't post the thing.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it. Thank you. Yeah, I don't see a continuation up. Equal high, 4-hour highs, yeah. This is a good reaction off the 4-hour gap too. It was kind of chopping in there, but I held a bullish bias for that 4-hour gap. Now we're getting a solid move. Required a little bit of, yeah, if you're patient today, you got paid. Simple as that. You taking a trade? I took a long earlier. I got like 50 points and stopped out break even, and then I'm re-entered long for Asia highs and also all-time highs. Yeah. You sitting courtside tonight? Hell nah, bruh. If I made Lanto money, I'd sit courtside, but wait, they can't hear you? Hold up. What the fuck? Hold up. Hold the fucking phone.
No way.
Wait, say something? Chat, can you hear Lanto?
Yo.
No way.
You can hear me?
Dude, it says it's working on my shit. Oh my
It's
god.
I just heard myself.
Alright, good now. Fuck, dude. My fault. But yeah, what I was saying, if I made Lanto money, I'd sit courtside.
Dude, you guys saying this? This guy has 10 mil liquid. That's
I don't have 10
chat.
million.
This dude has 10. Dude, this dude's laughing. Open up your phone, go to your bank right now, show your balance. Exactly. That's what I thought. Anyways, yeah, this dude's filthy rich. Anyways,
Liquid.
Are season openers always like pricey like that or not?
Yeah, they are, but this one's like obviously it would have been way more pricey if LeBron was playing, but LeBron's out tonight.
Yeah.
He's hurt, but there's Laker games are always pricey, no matter what game you go to. But low-key, I bought them late, so like the retailer started panicking, bro, because obviously they're bag holding the tickets, right?
Yeah.
So I actually got some good deals.
Yeah, I said it before. I was like, I kind of wish this long presented after the live opened.
Yeah.
After we popped on live.
Thanks. There's a 5-minute gap down here we could look at, chat, for possible longs. I wanted to see this 5-minute gap not actually get tapped into, so we'll see when we get there.
I just can't. Yeah, I can't be asked if we come back down into range. Like, I want to see this go down.
Yeah, I agree. I want to rebalance right now. Or not the rebalance on the 5-minute, because ES already rebalanced here. So now I just want a continuation into Asia highs. I think ES took out the Asia highs, right? Yeah, it took out a while ago.
We've had a lot of SMT today.
Yeah, we had. Yeah. But yeah, I think the bias stays up until all-time high. I think that's the best way to play this. Chat, make sure to drop a like on the stream. We didn't go live in the morning. I woke up, my throat was cooked. It's feeling okay now.
You gotta chill too, chat, because you gotta save that throat for when he screams for Luka later.
Oh god, no, dead ass, I do. I'm not even lying.
Like real shit. They had a game-winning. Luka hits a game-winning shot. How loud are you screaming?
Oh my god.
Probably tweaking.
I'm not streaming tomorrow, bro. Caught 50 points on gold with 2 minis. Nice, that's a bag.
Remember the bubble era? When AD hit that game winner, what'd you do?
Oh my god, dude, I was screaming, bro. Like dead ass screaming.
Dude, I could only imagine.
That shit was electric. Bought my first Lucid Evo, use code SMART, shout out. I gotta save that throat for Luka. Did Brian cook your throat? Nah, Lanta did.
Hey, yo.
How else did I get him on stream?
Okay.
Alright, chat. Obviously, I want higher prices here. A solid hourly close. It is lunch hour. It could be kind of slow, but I just want to see all-time highs. It shouldn't be that hard to get. It's only like 70 points.
We've been really range bound today, so I'd just like to see this go down, honestly.
Yeah.
If we just come back, I just don't want to deal with range. I'd even like, even if I wasn't long right now, I'd just be like, dude, you want to see it go now?
Yeah, nah, range would be shit.
Yeah, up and down.
Dude, who called
yeah,
DC
gold dump.
Dude,
Gold dump today.
bro, you know, hit like minus 6.5% at lows.
That's crazy.
That is crazy.
It's all that build up. That's just how the market operates, huh?
Yeah.
It's just slow builds up and then just panic sells or just hard sells. It's just how the market works.
I'm in long biases, yes. Yeah, I think long bias is good for higher into all-time highs and Asia highs.
Yeah, I agree. I have no interest in playing downside at all.
Same. We got a 15-minute closure here. We might put in a small 15-minute gap. I think it's a small one, right? Yeah. It's not that many points. So maybe we could play this. Potentially. And wherever else wants to go. We'll see. TP is Asia high. Yeah, that's a good TP.
Yeah. I only look for me to ride all-time high, not take Asia high trim. Is if we slam it, you gotta slam it. You gotta engulf past it.
We'll see. Bro, I was thinking, like, imagine the market barely being open like 20 minutes. Like, that's how you feel every day, bro. It's like 9. It's 9:10 over here.
Yeah.
To live on the East Coast.
This could. I mean, I guess I don't know. You like you think about living on the East Coast, waking up 9 or like trading 9:30. It's like it could be good for a couple weeks until you get used to the time, and then it'd be like normal again.
I feel like going to sleep at 12 and waking up at 8 is cool. No.
Yeah.
But then overnight sessions get completely cooked. If you do trade.
Yeah, it's just me. Listen, is it just you? Tell me too, Jesse. Is it just me? Like on the weekdays, bro, I could like easily sleep in past 9:30.
Bro,
like in the mornings,
yes.
And then on the weekends, bro, like I'll be up and bright and early by 9 a.m. like max. Like I can't sleep past. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, it's like I want to sleep in every time in the morning. Why does this keep going like this? But every time weekend. I think it was Saturday, dude. I woke up at like 8, bro, and I went to the gym like early. I was like, dude, I don't know where the energy is coming from.
It's just like. When you know you have to get up and do something, it's like you want to sleep in, or you have the ability to.
Yep.
But like when you don't have anything to do, like you just wake up.
That is true. I agree.
I don't know. That's how it was for school for me as well. Like at 6 a.m., like 6:30 a.m., I'd have to wake up. Like, bro, I would dread it. But then on the weekends, like I'd be up and early by like 7:30. I hated it. I used to never be able to sleep in. Now I can sleep in all the time. It's actually fire, but.
What keyboard is that? It's a Warrior SK71. Whatever the fuck that means. Chat, I think upside bias is still good.
You said let's recover from that Giants loss? Giants collapse?
I'm gonna talk about it in a bit, Lance. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, I don't even. Let's not talk about it at all.
I gotta say I've never been on the Giants ever again in my life.
You said what? Oh. Dude, you know what my situation is. How do you think I feel? Bro,
no, dude, that's what I was thinking. That's what gave me comfort. I was like, dude, Lantos is blue, like, not blue because, like, you didn't have it technically, but I was like,
swing. 70K swing, pretty much.
70K swing, dude.
Chat, so I bet on the Eagles game. It was 310 money line, plus 310. So I put 5K in. I won 15. I put that 15 on the Giants-Broncos game, and it was another 300. So I would have, or a little bit over 300. I would have won. My payout would have been 65K total.
Yeah.
And they had a 99% chance winning with 5 minutes left in the game.
Bro, dude, it was like a 3-score game in the fourth quarter. Dude.
Bro,
oh my God.
So I'm here like sky high, and then I just see it happen in front of me. And like, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I was really, let's just move on. Anyways.
Yeah, that was brutal. I'm not gonna lie. Brutal. But at least you're not the Raiders, bro. I'll tell you that much. Bro, we fucking just suck ass. I stopped watching after the first half.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not trying to hate when I say this. Like, we're both 2-5. Both our teams are 2-5. But like,
no,
my team's been an entertaining 2-5.
No. You guys will definitely dog walk us. We are so bad, dude.
It's just, bro. You guys need a QB, bro. Like, bro, you'll see it, bro. The moment you guys get like a rookie QB that's really good, like for me, like Jackson Dart, like once you get like a Jackson Dart type of player, but you'll be like, oh, bro,
dude,
you'll be like, where the fuck was this my whole life?
We haven't had a good QB in I don't know how ever, bro. Pretty much, it's just cooked.
Yeah. Can we just propel here? I don't know why we're stagnating.
Yeah, today was low-key been weird the last couple days. This week's been slower.
Yeah. That low though we put in was so nice on NQ though.
How do you feel about Top Step removing all trades from yesterday, even winning ones?
They did that?
Yeah.
Oh my God. That's not fair.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. Oh, no. It is fair. No. Time out. It is fair if like you entered the trade, the platform froze, and like you didn't put in stops, but you were gonna stop out, and it ended up reversing going in profit. If that makes sense. That's fair if they wiped it out like that.
There's some people who are in a trade, right? Like before, so they have 12 a.m. Eastern or 2 a.m. Central Time as like the cutoff time, right? Some people entered a trade before that, and then they exited after that, and they still got it cut off.
No, but I'm saying like, if they had like a planned stop, like, say like they were a major drawdown and they were gonna take a hit, but they didn't because the platform froze. Like that makes sense. But yeah, if you're in a trade, if you're in a trade beforehand and like it perfectly ran your way, and you still, that's fucked.
Yeah, I don't know how I feel about the whole situation. I mean, this is the first time they deleted winning trades, but I think some people were just probably exploiting. That's the only thing I could think of. Like, there's exploits happening, and they had to get everyone out. Like their accounts. I don't know.
Yeah.
It was weird for sure.
It's weird. I don't know, that low of Dave's so fucking juicy, man. I wish we just delivered nicely off that low. I would have slammed longs earlier. We had some teed off low, and then we also tapped that 4-hour NQ.
Yeah, we did.
Really clean.
Just a reminder, everyone, we are sim traders. Shit can happen. I agree. It is what it is. It is what it is. I didn't trade anything yesterday, but
Dude, there was a guy on Top Steps chat where he was like, I forget what he said. Selling wealth, you know what I'm talking about. Remember that guy? He was talking about how like exit liquidity, where like, where people's exit liquidity, this, that, and someone replied and goes like, and he was like, bro, like you're trading a sim account.
Yep.
You have no effect on the market at all.
That's true.
Dude, that was so funny. Like, dude.
Motherfuckers really think they're doing shit, bro. Like, why show off, you know? Alright, chat, there's a 15-minute gap printed. I'm gonna look for potential long if we can dive into it.
Why do people... I was on Brian's side. People ask me this. Who's Virat Kohli? Who's that?
Who is
Do you know that?
No idea.
Virat Kohli.
Let me see. An Indian cricketer.
People on Brian's side asked me that too.
He's a cricket player. Yeah, you know these top like Indian cricket players have like hundreds of millions of followers on Twitter or on Instagram. Let's check.
Bro, India's the fucking fattest country in the world.
Let me check how much these guys have.
Bro, India has like 4 billion people.
Yo, this guy has 274 million. That's crazy.
Yeah, it is fucked.
That's a lot.
Bro, if you're like Indian and like you're good at any sport ever, like you made it in life, you're done.
You know, like the dude at UFC who sucks ass, but he's from India. Dude, that guy has like 5 million followers on Instagram, and he hasn't won a major fight. He hasn't won a UFC fight.
Bro, I'm just. How big is India?
It's huge. I mean, the population is a lot.
Yeah, no, but I'm talking about like the country size. Is it like bigger than like the United States?
I don't think so.
So how do all those people fit in there?
It's the slums, bro. But that's the one thing I do respect a lot about our culture is like, if you're someone who makes it from there, bro, they'll also ride or die for you, bro.
Yeah.
Well, what's larger in size? India or America?
Yeah, I just feel like it'd be like
it says United States is almost 3 times larger than damn, bro. 3 times.
India's population's 1.45 billion. Oh my god. China's 1.4 bill. US is 340.
No, US is 200% larger than India. So like times 2. That's congested, yeah.
1.45 bill is crazy.
You gotta also keep in mind a lot of these places, like especially in Asia, they build up, not sideways.
What does that mean?
So like, let's say like you're going to a coffee shop in Japan, it might be like on the 8th floor. Like anywhere in Asia, it might just be on like on the 7th floor. It's like they build vertical, not horizontal. So that's why they can have more buildings made.
What the fuck, dude? That's actually crazy.
It's
like,
so good though. It's so good.
I got experience. I never like thought of that before. The frick, that's crazy.
Chat, right? I'm not tripping, right? They build vertical.
Yeah, like New York City, I guess. Yeah. I'm gonna be honest, I don't like it like that though. It's just like there's too much. What do you call it? What's the word? Like inconvenience. Like if you go to a coffee shop, but it's like 8 floors high, it's like you have to go in, elevator, press, go up all the way, versus just walking in.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe I'm just a town guy. I don't know. I could never see like New York City. I could never live there, honestly. Maybe when I was younger, but not now. Miami, maybe, because like when I went there, even though there's a lot of traffic and shit. It's not like New York City.
I think
It's like cleaner and
yeah.
shit spread out more.
Also, I think the weather there is so unpredictable though. I feel like I got
New York
blessed.
or Miami?
No, Miami, like anywhere like South Florida.
Really?
Yeah.
I feel like weather's. When I was there for 5 days. It only rained once, and when it rained, it was like a 5 minute. Like it rained for 5 minutes.
5 minutes it stopped. Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's your favorite Indian rapper? I don't listen to Indian music, Punjabi music, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Not even gonna cap. That's cool though. Like a lot of the ones are good. Like they're cool people, but I just don't listen to it.
You listen to YoungBoy?
I listen to YoungBoy, Rufus, Travis Scott.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, but the U.S. has Alaska. That's true. That's true. I guess. Yeah, that's true. My ancestors must be Indian. Not what? I mean, yeah.
Are we chopping here, dude? Is this gonna be one of those type of days where it's just
Super. Still, we're gonna tap this 15 minutes and it's like grind up. I think. Did we already tap it? We already did.
It's one of these type of days where using trail stops just bite you.
Yeah, facts. Yo, chat, drop a like on stream. Drop a like on stream. If we get 100 likes, we'll drop a giveaway. Bro, I've been giving out like 2 accounts per day. I gotta chill. Chat, I gotta chill before the boss makes the call, bro. And I get banned. I'm running through Brian's reserves.
Y'all scared of New York session? Why y'all only trade PM or overnight? Okay, so shall we do some math, right?
I'm scared. I'm scared of New Yorkers. I'm sorry.
Listen. I'm gonna just do some math, right, chat? Just simple, like, if you trade PM, aren't you still trading New York?
I was gonna say that. Like what?
So if you're trading New York, how are you not trading New York?
If you're trading PM, are we currently in the New York session, Lanto? Yes or no?
I'd like to believe so.
Are we in China servers, guys? There you go. Barely tapped the 15-minute, already getting a move up. A little change to delivery on the 1 minute here. Low-key, this is actually a good long. I'm not gonna lie. Chat, I'm gonna probably take this. I'll take this. I shall take this.
Yeah, I like higher interest as well.
Let me
I'm
get
still
my
holding
M and Q up.
Chat, I freaking wish this setup came after the live. Fuck. So you guys could take it as well, but.
All right, chat. I got my M and Q position here.
You let me pop up now.
Bro, we trade every session, bro. Is lunch session not in New York session? Oh my god, dude. Chat IQ.
I mean, Desi trades. This is how you're impatient. Well, Desi, you go live AMs, right?
I do. I go live every AM, dude. I didn't go live.
So my guy, dude, that's crazy because that impatience right there, that's just shining through. Probably is why you're unprofitable, to be honest. Because that patience probably carries into your trading.
You're telling an AM streamer why he doesn't trade AM. That's funny.
This is probably his first stream, and he's already asking these questions. It's like, brother, holy impatience. I pray to God you don't have that impatience when it comes to trading as well. I'm kidding. I'm kind of trolling you, but.
And do you trade gold? Only when I need to pass evals and I full port the evals. Thoughts on TJR's new post? I mean, bro, it's 2025. Who cares? Like, dude, no one cares.
Dude, that guy's like...
It was out of pocket for sure. But, dude, the shit we've seen these days, bro, like, dude, there's a whole country getting bombed to death, bro. And people care about TJR's post, bro. Come on, bro.
Dude, that was actually so bad. It was actually so bad.
You see what Brett said? He's like, we're getting so much shit over this.
Bro. Dude, it was so bad. I go live, bro, chat. Come on, it's a little funny, bro. It's a little funny.
If you guys don't know what we're talking about, let's actually pull it up, though.
It's a little funny. Come
I
on.
think he deleted it.
Okay, I'll just say I don't care. He bought a black person a Hellcat. Dude, and everyone like started
Oh
tweeting.
my god. Yo, he deleted it, bro.
He like fucking racially profiled someone. But it's just like it's funny because it's like, dude, like Desi said, like, bro, out of all this shit people tweak over, it's that.
Damn, he really deleted it. That's crazy. That's tragic.
You know what's fucked too is he didn't even get him a good Hellcat. He got him like a base stock Hellcat. He just did it for the memes. He bought him a shitty Hellcat just to say he bought him a Hellcat. Yo.
Oh my god.
Dude, come on, chat. That's a little funny, bro. Come on.
Low key,
like
bro. Low key though, when you're rich, bro, you can dead ass say whatever you want. It literally doesn't matter. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Like, you really look at this
Bro,
shit.
Bro, I don't get it, bro. Because it's like he's at the end of the day, Chad. He's still gifting him like good things. Like he gifted him a car, bro.
Bro,
I don't care what y'all say.
He said I bought a black person a Hellcat. He was eating Wendy's fried chicken.
Yo. Okay, see that's OD.
Yo,
that's OD.
It got like 500K views before he deleted it. Why did he delete it? Weird.
I guess he got pressed. Probably his sponsors hit him up. Dude, he's already said worse. He's done worse though.
He
was
has.
on stream with.
You know why? Because these guys aren't on TikTok.
Dude, listen. He was on stream with Toji, and like he was talking about like races, and he was like, I would never, I'd bang every, or he was like, I would never bang a certain type of race, or what he said. He was like, what did he say? He was like, I would bang all races except, or he was like, fuck, I don't know what he said. Something crazy though. Yeah. Some crazy racist. He was like,
he definitely is racist. I mean, I don't think he's racist. Like he doesn't actually care, but like he just says shit.
He was like, I'd be friends with everyone. I don't care if you're black. I don't care if you're Asian. I don't care if you're normal. Like, dude, he said some stupid shit like that, bro. You said like 10 times worse, bro. Come on. It's like people gotta lighten up, bro. I'm not saying to be racist, but chill.
Chat, it's just the sponsors, honestly, like I don't think they care because any publicity is honestly good publicity in this. Like everyone's talking about, oh, Tradeify this, Tradeify that. You know how many people are going to Tradeify now because it's like, it's Tradeify. What's this?
Yeah,
bro,
facts.
dude, these guys run business in a very cutthroat way, and they don't care. Because 10% of the people might be like, "Oh, dude, fuck this company for partnering with them," but then like the other 90% really don't care, so it doesn't.
Facts.
It's just where your moral compass is, I guess.
The real winners, they're doing that Tradeify Cup. The real winners, they're not. It's not the traders. It's Brett. It's Tradeify. They're the real winners because that publicity is gonna go crazy.
Yep.
Granted, they have obviously a good high prize, but like what they're doing is a very good publicity for their firm, which is what you want to see as well. If you like Tradeify, like you like seeing stuff like that, because there's like major effort being put into growing their company, which means obviously they're there for the long run.
And also, if you can, yeah, it's true. Also, like, people don't realize he's also partnered with TradeZella, so all these companies will be like, oh, but look, he's partnered with TradeZella too. So, and Umar's like the god of the trading space. No one really says anything to him.
Yeah, Umar's like the only like public, like goated trader out there.
Yeah.
Like all the other traders who are doing his numbers, if not more, they're always private. You don't need to be on social media. He just chooses to be on social media because he's
building his business.
Yeah, it does TradeZilla, but Umar's goated. He's a great trader and also a great businessman because he scaled TradeZilla like that. Like not only was he successful at trading, but he ventured into TradeZilla and he succeeded at that.
Yep. The ES about to take out highs again.
Dude, Maiden, bro, it's not that deep, brother. It's not that deep. It's not that deep. I promise you, it's not that deep. He's not like, bro. I don't know. People
bro,
are soft,
you think
bro.
Tradeify cares he's doing that, bro? I'm telling you, bro.
Bro.
Tradeify just got so much clout from that shit. They don't care, bro. No one cares. No, like literally nobody cares. Do you think Tradeify is reading your guys' comments or like anyone's comments under the post? I promise you they're not, bro. I promise you they're not. They got other things to worry about, like running a multi-million-dollar business. They're not worried about the 10% that are commenting, bro.
Bro, it's not even that deep either. Yeah, it's just like, bro, that guy, like, people were like taking it seriously, bro. He still gifted him a car, bro. Like, come on, dude. Like, dude, I don't care what the fuck you say. No one else is doing that. He gifted him a car. Okay, just because it's a certain type of car, like okay, whatever. But he gifted him a car, bro. Like, what?
I'm not saying you can go out there and blatantly say whatever you want.
Yeah, facts.
It's just some things are just not as, you know.
Like if he came out and like did some like crazy shit, like bought him that car and then like called him certain words,
exactly.
Yeah, that's bad. But he never treated him. He never mistreated him. Like he gifted him a car. He never mistreated him. He never like hurt him. Never did anything bad. So it's not that deep. It's just. By the way, like I'm not back at TGR. Like I'm not saying I don't stand with a lot of what he does, but like stuff like that, those are jokes. But him like rugging a firm, that's bad. Him doing that, like him doing shit like that, yeah, no. But like him buying someone a car, bro. Come on, bro. Like, dude, there's a lot worse out there. Bro, how come every time?
What the fuck is the market doing, bro? What are you gonna say? My fault.
Whenever I click on your stream, like same thing with Brian's stream, chat. Every time like I click on, I'm watching the live. Like for some reason, it just like I don't know what it is. It just like goes behind. If that makes sense.
Oh, like it goes like a couple seconds back, or like how back?
Yeah, like I'll have it completely to where it's like completely like in sync, and then like after like 2 minutes, like I look back at it and it's like back. It's like.
Is it on a different like browser? Cause you think you have to keep the browser open.
Google Chrome.
Why are you talking? What are you talking about? Apex and multi-billion and they still shut down their entire Discord server because of one YouTube video? Apex is not a multi-million-dollar business. It's a multi-billion-dollar business. Daryl don't give a fuck, bro. Daryl's my quant. I don't care. Daryl's top 5 businessman of the generation.
Bro, Apex can fucking rug tomorrow. He doesn't care. He's set.
He doesn't.
He doesn't. I guarantee he barely operates anymore. He just oversees stuff.
Chat, I'm telling you, Apex is always ahead of the curve, bro. Which is why they get a lot of hate when they make changes, but they're always ahead of the curve. Remember what was it, 2 years ago, Lanta, when they got a lot of hate? But everyone was like, oh my god, Tradeify, or Apex this, Apex that, but...
Yep. Yeah, Sway, if you look at the revenue, like, revenue-wise, yeah, they're probably multi-billions. Gross profit, no. But yeah, dude, they were having months where they were having 9-figure months. 9-figure months. 9-figure months. Over 100 mil.
Yo, chat, let's do some math on this. A week and a half ago, Topstep posted their weekly payouts. $7,500 or 7,500 payouts with $2K each as the average. Do the math on it. They processed $15 million in payouts in one single week. How much do you think they're making? I think people severely underestimate on how much especially these top 2 or 3 companies make. Yeah, probably like not multi, but if they were sell what's good, it'd probably be like high 9 figures. 8,800 payouts last week. There you go, bro. Even if their margins are like 30%, it's still insane, dude.
Yeah.
Cause Apex, when their shit got leaked not leaked, but they had to disclose it, they were making like 20 mil a month profits.
Bro, it's like prop firms are just casinos essentially, just different formats. That's literally what it is. That's what prop firms are. It's casinos, chat, right? You buy an account. Most people gamble, or most people, even if they're not over leveraged, like severely, they'll still gamble at the end of the day because they're too inexperienced to know how to properly trade. So it's just gambling.
Bro, if you make $220 million in revenue and you think your company is not $1 billion company, are you dumb? With all due respect.
Yeah,
if you evaluate that. Yeah, you're not selling the company for $227 million. It's multiple over the with like 3 or at least 5. I
Yeah.
think it's 5, right?
Yeah, it's at least 3.
Like, come on, bro. Why would they sell their like? It's an investment, right? When you buy a company, so they can probably sell for that much. Like I said, I don't know what the revenue split is. Maybe they're fucking paying out that much and only making a certain amount. But I don't know, but I would say their margins are at least 20%, which is probably on the low end.
Yeah.
But
Are you gonna move here?
prop firms are like one of the fastest growing industry, like one of the fastest growing in the industry, because like everyone's trading prop firms. Anyone in BYND,
everyone-
I am, bro. I am. My bad, Lento. I alerted shares this morning on this bitch, bro. I'm in this, bro. I'm in the meme. I'm in the meme, bro. I got a bad entry like at 2:30, but fuck it. I put like 4K into this, bro. It's a meme stock, Lento. That shit was at 40 cents 2 days ago. It's at $2.60 right now.
Yeah, I'm not touching
I'm
that.
straight up gambling this. I'm not gonna lie. Sorry, my bad. I didn't mean to cut you off.
You're good. Chat, are we gonna take these Asia highs out before 2 p.m. or after? What do you guys think at this pace? This is so slow.
This is very slow. It's fake meat, dude. It's a fake meat company. Yeah, I saw gold today. Gold had a crazy move, bro. Crazy, bro. Down 5.5% or 5.8%. Yeah, I'm in this long right now. But it's not going anywhere.
Yes, chop a little bit here. I do expect though, after this consolidation, we'd probably see a good push. Wouldn't be surprised if we just accumulate here and just rip past Asia into all-time high. You play FC26? No, FC26 is ass. Last good FIFA was FIFA 17. Dude, it's still delayed. I clicked on the live thing. Chat. It's still delayed.
Chat, drop a like on the stream. If we get 125 likes, we'll do a giveaway right now. Right now, live on stream, we'll do a giveaway. 125 likes, we'll do a giveaway right now.
All right, let me ask you guys this. Aside from Warzone, what was the last best COD? Or last good COD? I would say BO3.
BO3 was like at the... Okay, if you're talking about like good in terms of like how... Yeah, BO3. I like World War, but it wasn't anything close to BO3.
Yeah, I'm talking about a game where like everyone gets back on. Like Warzone was that. BO2, yeah, BO2's good. I was never a BO1 fan though. I never liked Black Ops 1. Black Ops 2 was goated though. Black Ops 3 was my childhood. That's what I grew up on. A lot of people in here probably younger than me grew up on Fortnite. I grew up on Fortnite too, but Black Ops 3 was like that was oh my god. Dark Matter, the VMP. Sometimes I'd feel a little snipey, so I'd cop the Locust or the SVG, the Cuda. Who remembers that? Oh my god.
Oh, chat. All right, let's do a giveaway. Let's go. It's giveaway time. I'll give away trade debate or Tradeify account.
Then I'll talk to you 25. Well, I'm gonna be 23 next month.
Chat, we got 3 minutes on the giveaway, alright? Oh, shit. 3 minutes on the giveaway. 1 winner, 50K growth account. I can't type. Good luck.
BO3 top 3 game of all time. For my childhood, yeah. Overall, though, I can't be biased. I don't know if it's a top 3 game all time. Fortnite's 1. I'd probably say GTA 5's number 2.
We are not doing
What's
this
your
one. My bad, go ahead.
Desi, what's your top 3 games all time?
Black Ops 2, Fortnite. Oh, fuck, that's hard, I'm not gonna lie. Chat, join the Discord
GTA, no?
link. Huh?
I was gonna say GTA, no?
Dude,
GTA,
fuck. GTA or Warzone, bro, I don't know.
You putting Warzone close to GTA?
Bro, it's so hard, cause GTA is really good. Dude, I'm about to... BO2, Fortnite, Prime Fortnite is like undefeated. And BO2 Prime is undefeated. And then what else?
Yeah,
I didn't play 2K, bro. I didn't really like 2K.
Yeah, me either.
Chat ends in 2 minutes. Ends in 2 minutes. Bro, this shit better not stop me out, bro.
We're just shopping, that's all. I like underrated game. I'd say probably FIFA 15 or FIFA 14 is up there. If you played, you played. You know what I'm talking about. Oh my god. Counter-Strike, hell no. Hell no. If you say Counter-Strike, you better just put Valorant up there. Fuck no.
I played a lot of RuneScape too, but I wouldn't have it above those ones I listed. Fuck, dude, that's tough.
Dude, yeah, bro, I'm like, guess you missed it because you never grew up as a soccer fan, bro. FIFA, like 12 to 15, 16. Oh my god. If you know, you know. The FUT teams.
I thought there's a lot of good games I haven't played. But damn, dude, yeah, those games are different, bro.
Minecraft's king. I mean, yeah, it just depends what type of person you are. I never played Minecraft before because I never liked it. Terrible. It's just, bro. It's just like going on Fortnite creative. It's like you just build shit. I don't like that.
That's funny.
We still look good here. We're kind of stagnant. I like that 15-minute gap tap as well. We just gotta see price go.
Chat, 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Who was the winner? Imagine I win somehow. Trade binge. Congrats. Trade bin.
So let's go.
Congrats. I will give you the count after the stream. Just DM me on Discord.
W. Does you know me? You know I'm a Yankees fan. I ain't gonna lie though. That Ohtani game that he had.
He was crazy, dude. I was literally freaking out. I'm not gonna lie.
That Ohtani game is like, I ain't gonna lie. That's like probably the best individual game performance in the history of sports.
Yeah, it is. It has to be, bro. And he was like struggling kind of in the playoffs.
Yeah, that game though. Oh my god. That's like, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Ohtani just getting started, bro. He was struggling, bro. The Blue Jays, dude. I've been so locked in on baseball lately. You have no idea.
I don't really follow it like that, to be honest, but I'll watch it here and there. It's just too slow for me.
Mm-hmm. After I went to the Dodgers game, bro, it changed my life.
Yeah, listen. This dude starts following baseball as soon as the Dodgers win something.
No,
that's crazy,
listen, bro. This guy, I knew he was gonna say that. I always watch the Dodgers in the playoffs, bro. I do.
Yeah.
I do. But I just didn't understand the sport. But now I understand the matchups and things like that, which makes it more interesting. I feel like.
Cap.
This guy.
Cap.
It don't matter though, bro. We got Laker
The
basketball.
first time-
Laker basketball's back, bro. We back.
First time I ever heard you talk about baseball was last year when the Dodgers were in the World Series.
Cap.
All my life, on everything I love.
The playoffs are good though, and also going to the game. Honestly, I think going to the game really changed my perspective. Also, the greatest player of all time is playing right now, so.
It's not. Otani's not the greatest of all time.
Otani's not the GOAT. Chat, is Otani the GOAT?
No, it's too early, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, it's too early. That's like saying Pat Mahomes is a GOAT. He's not.
Because I don't watch baseball like that, like back in the day, obviously, so I don't know. I was saying I know the good players, but is Otani the GOAT? I think he is the GOAT, bro. I was on MLB Twitter and also MLB Reddit, and they were talking about how he's like undisputed GOAT.
No, he's not, bro.
Chat, why is ES pushing the NQ camp, bro? What is this?
You just gotta stop.
If he can stay out of prison, his fall guy got it, bro. His translator got it. No wonder they didn't send him to jail. See how good he is?
Otani equals Germany. That's crazy. He supposed to said Otani equals Jeremy Lin. Linsanity. Otani. What would you name it?
Otanis.
Tanacy? No, Otani's good. I don't think he's GOAT status yet. He has to like be consistent like this for years and years and years.
He hit home run. He hit more home runs than gave up hits. My GOAT, dude. You know they already made their money back. The $700 million contract, they made it back in a year.
Oh yeah.
Chat, I don't know if you guys been to Japan lately, but dude, he is everywhere. I'm talking about you turn anywhere, you're gonna see Otani's face.
Oh my! I didn't even think about that, bro. Fuck Japan, all of Asia.
Yeah.
Bro.
Yeah.
Dude.
He's
running that continent.
When I went to Taipei, they had his in Taipei 101, like the big building in Taiwan or Taipei. They had his 50. I think it's 50. Was it home runs and 50 stolen bases, something like that? That ball, they had it, bro. It sold for $4 million.
I ain't gonna lie, but the money's about to get from like Asia, like, bro, fuck the contract, bro. I ain't gonna lie. The deals he's about to get in Japan is crazy. And like Asian shit.
I mean, that's why he gets paid $1 million on the books, bro. All his money comes in the last 10 years of the contract.
So yeah, 700 mil, chat. Like 700 mil.
I would say though, MLB needs to like make sure the overseas players come through the draft, because I mean, I'm a Dodgers fan, but that's low-key kind of... I mean, why wouldn't you pick LA?
Yeah.
If you're coming from, like, Japan or anything like that. One, they already have such a nice Asian cultural dominance, I guess, in that area, because that's Shohei, Yamamoto, Sasaki. I don't know.
Yeah, Otani really cooking.
He is cooking, bro. And chat, you get paid on how replaceable you are. And that man is not replaceable.
Hell no. You know who's replaceable, though, all time? I'm going to say I don't care. Michael Jordan.
Real.
He's replaceable.
Real.
Most overrated player of all time.
He'd be modern day DeMar DeRozan.
Dude, yeah, he's terrible.
We're about to trigger all the old heads in here.
Dude, you look at like LeBron James top 100 career plays versus Michael Jordan top 100 career plays. Like Michael Jordan all top 10 career plays are like not even like top 200 for LeBron.
They happen in like every Friday night, bro.
Bro, dead ass. Bro, I remember one time I saw a clip of Michael Jordan. He like, I forgot what it's called. Like, it's like where you pass the ball behind your back into the other hand.
Yeah, crossover.
He did that. Like commentators were like, bro, dick sucking, and they're like, I've never seen that before. What he just did. Like, bro, I do that in my sleep.
Oh my god. Chad, the viewer's about to drop right now. If you guys don't think, look, here's the thing I love about the NFL, Lento, and I love about the MLB, and love about every other sport. The old heads of that sport are like, you know what? This generation is better. Like, they're better players. NBA old heads are the only ones like, no, we are better. Like, no, you're not, bro. How has every game progressed but the NBA? That doesn't make sense. Players in this generation are the most skilled players there's ever been, bro.
You know whatever I think about? Like, whenever I like hear an old head speak, all I think about is... That's what like comes to my head. That noise when I hear him speak.
But can we agree though? Like as basketball evolves, as life evolves, like the skill level increases. If you're not shooting from the logo in this generation, you're not making the NBA.
Bro, remember when Kevin Garnett would take like long 2-pointers instead of a 3?
Yeah, bro. Like try that shit in this generation to see what happens. Every
Bro, that
generation
dude
gets
had like
better.
he'd have a wide open 3 and step in, like, into the bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh my god, Chad, this trade's not going anywhere.
Yeah, it's up and down. If I'm being honest, I think Jackson Dart's a better athlete than Michael Jordan ever was. Honestly,
I agree.
it's crazy to say. I think Jackson Dart's a better athlete than Michael Jordan ever was.
Chad, we swept the highs here, but there's no continuation at all. I had like almost 20 points on this, but
Oh my god, it's chop, bro.
it is chop. It's really bad. Close that BE. I'm not gonna touch it, bro. If it hits my stop, it hits my stop. It's whatever. I'm in micros anyways.
Yeah,
Probably
I still like upside interest, but
yeah, probably like the best stop on this would be a little bit wider. It would skew the RR, but it would be down here. Like this would be the best R, but it is what it is. If I get stopped, I get stopped. I'm not worried.
look at that nasty wick.
Only 5. Only 5.
It's a good trade too. We tapped that 15 nicely.
Yeah, I'm
We
gonna get
just
stopped
tapped
on
to
this.
the high.
Dude, ES is dumped like 10 points right there. My stop is literally at 304. It's just too much S&T here at these highs. There's no continuation. They probably if they rip it overnight, it'll probably be overnight. Or they rip it to all-time highs, it'll be overnight session. I don't think New York has the juice behind it.
Buddy,
Alright, I gotta stop it. Yeah, I stop right there. It's definitely annoying, I'm not gonna lie. It's low-key been like this all day. It's just up. Trump, maybe the meeting with president will happen. Dude. Taco Trump, bro. Taco Trump.
I like what
And bro says something and does the opposite. What happened?
I was just saying, this is kind of what happened initially when we took the ES high.
Yeah.
And we rejected and came right back up.
It came right back up, yep.
So I might have been kidding it. I might attempt again if we come back up. So like go invert off this gap at 1252. If we just trade back down into range, I'm just not gonna fancy anything.
Yo, chat, we have CPI this week, right? I heard that they're gonna post CPI even though the government shut down. If that isn't an indicator that it's gonna be a bullish CPI, I don't know what is. The dictator has spoken. Paid federal workers? Nope. Send $40 billion to Argentina? Absolutely. Hell yeah, dude. I think regardless of what party you believe in, I think these last 9 months have been some of the worst starts to administration I've ever seen in my life.
No comment. I'm not gonna get political. Opinions are valid.
I just think the back and forth between China and the U.S. is dumb, bro. Both need each other. We probably need China more than we think. Manufacturing in the U.S. doesn't make sense unless you want to pay $400 for a pair of shoes that cost $70. I don't know. If I was a president, chat, I don't know what I'd do. I'd probably insider trade. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna keep it a stack with you. I did the same shit.
Trump?
Low key, if the Donald Trump was right here next to me telling me to buy or long, bro, I would dead ass do it. I don't go fuck. As much as I criticize it, I'm gonna be honest, I would do it. I think anyone would.
Bro, dude. Barron Trump, bro. One trade, first ever trade. Already made more than all of us combined in the chat.
Yeah. I would do one thing though. If I was the president, the first thing I'd do is go beat the shit out of Israel. I'll tell you that much right now. No cap. That was the first thing I would do. I'd probably get assassinated for it, but fuck it.
I don't know. It's just if you just have I feel like you just have a general outlook, or more detailed outlook of how this is all ran. You'd see something else. I'm not. Listen. By the way, when I say that, I'm not saying like either side. I'm just saying like.
Yeah.
There's no like. I don't know.
I don't know enough about like parties, but the one thing I feel like I do know is like one country is absolutely demolishing another, bro. Chat, you wouldn't even be able to vote for me, bro. I'd be assassinated before I even took anything. Bro, Lanta, look at the 15-minute, bro.
I know. This literally just like I don't want to say anything. It's just bro.
Chat, up or down from here? What do you guys think? It's at 295.
I still like upside interest. If we come back up here and we go invert off that 1252 gap, one minute gap, I might go long there.
I agree. I would go long above here again, but dude, ES is low key weak.
Free Palestine, yeah, I agree. And I'll say this: any involvement of like murder to innocent people, fuck that, never.
Not innocent people. Hell no, I would never harm a civilian.
Yeah,
those people at
Israel,
office, though,
Palestine, both.
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm not gonna go nuke a Israel civilian, but the government. I fully agree with you, Lance, on that.
I just hate
when civilians get involved, bro. That's when it becomes really like fucked.
The concept of war never it never sat with me, bro. It's just like, dude, think about this. You go in war, you have loads of people dying, innocent people who
have nothing to do with
dying
it, pretty
much. Die to do somebody else's decision. Somebody else. All it took was one thought in somebody else's brain, right? And now, innocent people are dying because of it. Never made sense to me.
Which is exactly what's happening right now, which is why I'm like, the other side could go fuck off. Chat, humans are just greedy as fuck, bro. It's actually insane.
Yeah, I feel like there's war. War should be like it should be between leaders. It shouldn't. Random people should not be dying.
Put them in a boxing match, bro.
Real shit.
Like, bro, we're still having war and it's 2025, bro. Like, think about that, bro. Like, have we really advanced? These guys are just as... Oh, my God, dude. It's just so dumb, dude.
You know, even gets scarier because now we have weapons where it
mass
can
destruction.
Neutralize everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, literally just neutralize everything. If it ever came down to it, like this, we have the capabilities now to where we can destroy our own like humanity.
Chat, I was interested in this 4-hour closure, right? Because this 4-hour close got pretty high up here. I wanted to see this OB get violated, but we are not violating shit. Even on this, I wanted to see a break of structure on the 4-hour on ES, right? So like something like, I guess we still have an hour left, but we'll see. But like something like this where we could break a structure above here, or continuation, but we're not getting anything. And it looks like it's gonna be another inside day, which sucks. I fucking hate inside days.
Yeah, especially when they're just as choppy as this.
But they might just drive this back to lower day. Who knows? Also, chat, one other thing that kind of concerns me, because like I like playing broadening wedges, right? Like I love playing broadening wedges. Look at the hourly, right? this doesn't sit right with me. Like, how are we still rejecting this? This doesn't make sense. I really hope they don't tease all-time highs and just bring it back down. But we do have. I didn't see chat. We have CPI on Friday, right? Did we say yes to that?
Ooh.
Dude, we're going, bro. Trump starts
Starting
speaking,
to
bro.
tell
It's
you.
just straight down.
So now this frustrates me because I hate sessions with no completed, like, there's no objective here.
Yeah, there isn't.
At best, what we've done here is just trade overnight data. I hate sessions like these. It's just, it fucking infuriates me. Not every session's gonna move, but they should have some fucking objective here today. Trade gold. Well, gold's good now, but in about 2 weeks, it's gonna go back to being shit. So, you know, indices are much more consistent. Gold's the hotter asset right now to trade because it's just moving. But once that stops trading, as volatile as that is, it's gonna go back to being shit like forex pairs. Mm-mm. Trade soybeans. I've heard of that. Like commodities.
Oh my god, I was talking, my mic was muted. I was like, bro's ignoring me. I was like, yeah, gold chopped for like 100 something days before it moved.
Yeah.
Yes, it's dumping
30.
though. Hey, chat, you know what's not dumping though? Beyond Meat, bro. Shout out Beyond Meat. Man, this 4-hour close is really not ideal.
A 1 minute distribution. It's nice though. Look at that sell. It's just. I genuinely hate sessions like this. That's why execution and timing is so important on sessions like these. That's why, like, I feel like R matters, but I ain't lie, win rate matters as well, to be honest. Because, like, on sessions like these, you're just deaded if you're just looking for R, but like, your win rate's not good. So it's good to have a combination of both. Because, like, you say you mistime yourself 2-3 times here, like, even if you try to collect that R back, it's like, dude, look at the session. We just haven't done anything.
Look at the 15-minute chat. We're just chop. It's just chop. I'll play the edges here. I really wouldn't have a bias. We'll see what happens here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, look at the daily. It's just inside. The daily looks good for all-time highs, but when I look at the 4-hour and things like that, it just I'll keep playing the daily bias though. We still have a lot of time on this day.
Mm-hmm.
I'll wait for some 5-minute gaps and see.
So I think we're going to see lower prices. For me, there's no interest in downside for me, honestly. At all. Especially once we put in that low that we put into rank Q. Tapping that 4-hour and creating bullish SMT. Like, I'm going to stick upside bias for myself. I don't like downside.
I feel like the targets of downside are weird.
Yeah. It's like, how do you comfortably, shorten it? If you're trading what we trade, how do you comfortably short this with Asia highs being right there after the move that we got off low? Like, for me, there's no chance I'm shorting this move down.
Yeah.
Even though it's a good move, there's no chance I'm doing it.
I don't like shorting into a higher time frame gap in terms of like the other way because we're in a bullish gap, so I don't know. Let's see.
I feel like people just tend to also forget, like, dude, like, if we move directional for an entire session, just because we have 5 to 10 minutes of displacement or data tell you it's going the other direction, doesn't mean it's going to do that the entire move, like, all the way down.
Yep.
You saw that trade or that TikTok I said yesterday? There was a guy who took a trade, and like it was a good technical trade, but he just completely disregarded the fact that he was looking at short, and we were just very bullish. And he wonder why he hit stop when he saw 1 minute gap go invert off the London high grab, and then just take it, and he got you gotta make sure you're reading into price as well. In my opinion.
Like I easily see it going back up to range. Like it's just been stuck on the range today.
Yo, odds are high day and low day put in for the session.
I think so.
Oh, that'd be brutal.
I would be.
I'm more convinced in the lows.
I am too. I just don't feel comfortable taking the shorts because the DOL looks a little weird.
Likewise.
Chat, if we push 200 likes in the next like 5 minutes, I'll do another giveaway. We're at 160 right now. For AM, it would be easy, but this is a PM stream.
Or displace back up.
And right back up, bro. Like imagine trying to go short. It's just a back and forth, guys. So.
Yeah. Honestly, here though, in my opinion, we're buying up nice. If we see a bit of a rejection, which I would want, and we see price kind of curve back up out of that, I might actually take. I don't like love when we see displacement like this and then right back up. I kind of want to see like a bit of a rejection and then see the reaction to the rejection. Yeah. If we build back up off the rejection, like retest a 1 minute gap, then I'll like to eventually right up higher.
There's a 5 minute gap here. My trade for the rest of the day probably like if we get a 5 minute inversion here, I'll take this to all time highs again. But we are going back up.
So my question on moves like these are just like, you know, like as a trader, you don't have to know every single move. Like, what's the motive of this move here? We swapped highs. What do we displace to internal low? Like, did we really just displace all the way down here to this internal low of the range, just to come back up? Is this what we're doing? Price. This how you know price is bad. Like in my opinion, that sells, especially if we buy up now. There's just no motive for why it did that. What, to take out an internal low?
Yeah, that makes no sense.
We have a 15-minute BPR as well that we're forming right now.
Is Brian getting on today? Let's see. I haven't heard of Brian all day. I thought this would be a decent PM session. I think we'll get something.
Yeah.
Chat, how are we doing so far this week? Green or red? Green or red?
Been pretty flat day for me. Small green.
Small red this week.
So done.
Green.
Done a whole bunch.
Inside days, you got to be very careful with discipline because it can really start ranging, and you get
yeah.
You can get.
Dude, there's no good array entry here though. If we displace back up, I don't know.
I'll take the woman inversion. I think that's it. But then you're longing such at a high.
Yeah, exactly.
It's like
especially if you don't retrace either.
Yeah, we haven't continued all day, so it's like, what makes it continue now?
That's why I freaking hate price sometimes. I would like to see a retrace though. Plus 4R, good shit. Good shit.
Yeah, right back up, chat. We took out these equal lows down here. And just drove right back up. 5-minute gap's about to get tested on ES and NQ. We'll see what reactions they get here. It's a bunch of back and forth, guys. Bunch of back and forth. Ideally, I would want to see a 4-hour closure above. Let's go to the 4-hour above these highs on ES. So like 67, 80s. If we can get to like 320s before this hourly closes, that would be ideal for NQ and ES. You'll have to check DM. Back in the 300s. This is actually pretty good. Chat. I'll drop the barrier to 190. If we get 190 likes, we'll do another giveaway. That'll be a second giveaway so far this stream.
Dude, oh my god, we're gonna come up here without a single retrace. I don't mind this inversion, but I want to see how price reacts off a rejection. Because this could come up here, go invert off the 1 minute gap, and then come right back down.
Yeah, this is. I don't feel comfortable longing up here. I'd rather would have long like a rejection and then maybe an inversion up there.
Freaking hell.
It's all good. Alright, bet chat. We'll run a giveaway. We'll run a giveaway. It's live. It's live. It's live on the Discord. 3 minutes on it. 3 minutes on it. 3 minutes on it. If you guys don't have the link, it's right here. Run it, run it. Tomorrow the plan is I'll go live at 9:20 a.m. Eastern. That's usually the normal time. I'm gonna be a little bit late tonight, depending on when I get home. So if anything,
You're training Asia tonight as well?
No. I mean, not in tomorrow morning.
Oh, okay. I was about to say what the.
Because Laker game probably ends like at 10. Traffic will probably get home like at 12. Alright, I'll probably 12. Yeah. It's like an hour 20. It's like an hour from me.
Was it closer when you were
good? What happened?
Was it closer when you were back home, or is it closer now?
It's way closer now. Let me give you a roll of Sheen.
What's goody? What's goody?
All right, Chad. We got 2 minutes on the giveaway. Bro, Lanto. So my apartment amenities has a cracked ass golf simulator, dude. I'm addicted now.
That's?
Yeah. Oh yeah, we got a Halloween party on Thursday, dude. That shit's gonna be insane.
W.
It should be fun. It's actually not a do-rag. It's a Scully, bro. It's a Scully. That shit mad comfy though. Chat, I'm gonna dress up as Lanto Trades for Halloween. I do have a do-rag, I do. I do. Let me add you as well. Geo, baby. I'm not bald, I have long hair. Alright, chat, 20 seconds for the giveaway. We got 209 entries. So a little bit, you have a better chance in this giveaway than you did the last one. I usually wear parka Um, Jay, you're funny. Tana, you have won the giveaway. Congrats. DM me on Discord and I'll get you right. Go to Halloween with Patrick Wheeler. Goes Patrick Wheeler and a Russian escort. That's funny. Jen, you did just win. You did. Alright, we're chopping in this 5-minute gap here. Kind of came down and rejected it. I want to see a push through it for higher prices.
It's a good retrace again. I like that. So if we build back up now aggressively, I like it a lot better.
Well, then Brian said... That's funny. Lanto's looking for longs again. I am too. I think we're just continue to go higher, chat. I think we're just gonna push. The crucial was good, baby. Stream some Battlefield 6. I don't even have Battlefield 6. Lil Lance, you know what Rips does? You know what he does. He like streams and he gambles on the side. So he has like double screen. He's like one of them's playing slots and one of them's trading.
That is crazy.
That is crazy. Bro, he has like crazy status at like Caesar's Palace in Vegas, bro. It's crazy.
That's insane.
Bro's a DJ through and through.
So what how do you get rich?
I don't know, bro. He played in the World Series of Poker multiple times.
The fuck?
Dude, he's like super cracked at poker, I guess.
Bro's a baller. Yeah, but he was playing with celebrities too.
Yeah.
Remember that one time I saw that? He was playing with celebrities. Bro got real equity.
He does.
Apparently he's really good at poker.
Yeah. Oh, he gambled after trading? Okay. Bro goes from gambling to gambling.
So you got rich off trading?
I don't know. He's pretty old compared to us.
Yeah, that's crazy.
No, like I don't know how he got his money.
Did he have a 9 to 5? Was he retired? Like what? Chow, how do you get rich? Kind of rejecting a little bit here.
All right, chat. I wanted to say Inversion through it. I don't think we're gonna get it. Lance, are you ready to wrap up?
Yeah, if you are, I'm ready.
All right, chat. We're gonna wrap up here. Brian is live. I'm gonna link his shit. Go spam some raid or some shit in his chat. Chat, peace and love. I'll catch you guys tomorrow at 9:20 a.m. Eastern. Lanto, I appreciate you being on as always.
Yes, sir.
All right, later, chat. Later. Have a good one.
Later, y'all. Peace out.